Hello everyone, myself Bhavna Thakkar. Today we are going to learn about very easy and interesting unit, determinants and matrices in basic mathematics. For study of matrices, we need determinants. So first we will discuss about second order determinants. Second order determinant, a square array symbol of 4 elements A, B, C, D, they are real numbers, then this type of determinant is called second order determinant. In this determinant, A and B are the elements of first row R1, C and D are the elements of second row R2. So total there are 2 rows. Row means horizontal line. A and C are the elements of first column C1. B and D are the elements of second column C2. So total there are 2 columns. Column means vertical line. So there are 2 rows and 2 columns. So this type of determinant is called second order determinant or 2 by 2. In determinant, always number of rows and number of columns are equal. 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. In this determinant, A, B, C, D, A and D are the elements of principal diagonal, and B and C are the elements of subsidiary diagonal, Now, the value or expansion of second order determinant. सेकंड ऑर्डर डिटरमिनेंट की वैल्यू कैसे फाइंड करते हैं ये अभी देखते हैं. डिटरमिनेंट D इक्वल टू A, B, C, D. Now the value of this determinant is product of elements on principal diagonal A into D minus product of elements on subsidiary diagonal B into C equal to AD minus BC. Clear? Now example. One, value of determinant 3, 4, minus 1, 2 equal to. Now value of this determinant is product of elements on principal diagonal 3 into 2 minus product of elements on subsidiary diagonals 4 into minus 1 equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Okay. Now second example, value of determinant cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Product of elements on principal diagonal, so cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta into sin theta equal to cos theta into cos theta cos square theta minus sin theta into sin theta minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta minus plus cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So value of this determinant is 1. Clear? Third example, if value of determinant x1, 4, 2 equal to 0, then find x. Here the value of second order determinant is given and we have to find the value of x. So value of this determinant AD minus BC. So x into 2 minus 1 into 4 equal to 0. So 2x minus 4 equal to 0. 2x equal to 4. 2x is equal to 4. So x equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2. So if this determinant is equal to 0, then value of x is 2. Clear? तो आज हमने देखा सेकंड ऑर्डर डिटर्मिनेंट. इन डिटर्मिनेंट elements are enclosed in square array symbol, means two parallel lines. In determinant always number of rows and number of columns are equal and determinant has a real value. Okay, clear? नेक्स्ट टाइम हम देखेंगे थर्ड ऑर्डर डिटर्मिनेंट एंड द वैल्यू और एक्सपांशन ऑफ थर्ड ऑर्डर